What's up, guys? It's Ken from JakyriT.V, and today we're going to Tennessee. We're riding the train in Tennessee, and we're coming back today. And today I'm going to vlog.
So we just got to the train that we're taking to Tennessee.
And we're about to do a little skit. So yeah.
So guys, we just got onto the train. Everybody's over there. And it's going to take an hour to get to Tennessee. So I'll see you guys in... Where are we going in Tennessee? Rentville.
Can you tell? Oh, is it one that's soft? Oh, you gotta go like this. What? Now, please don't throw it at me.
So guys, we just were on the train. We just stopped, and we're in Tennessee. What's the name of the city?
McCaysville, Georgia, Coopertown. No, Coppertown.
Whatever she said. That's where we were. Yeah.
I got Skechers on. I got Skechers.
Guys, we just found my great uncle Willie. He's in the chair. That's great uncle Willie. So basically we can enter Georgia or Tennessee, or we can like stand on both. It's pretty weird. And this is the Oconee River, or Oconee, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. It was really fun going to Tennessee and Georgia kind of at the same time. I'll be back with another video, maybe in about 5 minutes. I'm going to upload 2 vlogs, and I'll see you guys next week.